Hello, welcome to the Transcendent. In this video, we'll learn HTML, subscripts, superscripts, and small text. And how does this function works? When we need to highlight specific parts of text with unique meanings, HTML offers simple tools like sub, and small tags. Subscripts, using the sub tag, lower text below the baseline, perfect for chemical formulas like H2O. Superscripts, with the sub tag, raise text above, ideal for exponents like X superscript 2. The small tag shrinks text size, often for fine print or side notes. These tags ensure content stands out clearly, enhancing readability. For example, sculpting subscripts for science, superscripts for math, and tiny text for notes. Subscripts are characters positioned below the standard text baseline in HTML. When we studied chemistry, we learned to write water's formula, H2O, with the 2 placed lower than the H and O. Using the sub tag, we typeset this 2 as a subscript, setting it below the line for clear, professional presentation. Think of this sub tag as a text choreographer, dropping characters like the 2 in H2O below the baseline for scientific flair. It's like giving words a low-key superhero dip. Superscripts are characters placed above the standard text baseline in HTML. In mathematical expressions, we often see superscripts like 6 superscript 2 for exponents, or in footnotes, where tiny markers sit elevated. To style these, we use the sub and sup tags, with sup raising text for clear, polished displays in equations or references. In HTML, H2O looks incorrect without proper formatting. We wrap the 2 in a sub tag to lower it below the baseline, slightly reducing its size for clarity. For footnotes, we encase the marker, like 2, in a sup tag, raising it above the line and shrinking it slightly. This approach, using sub and sup tags, ensures precise, professional text styling. We can use sub and sup tags in HTML for simple math expressions, like exponents or subscripts. However, for complex equations on websites, we recommend exploring MathML. This specialized markup language offers robust tools for mathematical notation, surpassing HTML's capabilities for precise and professional equation displays. In many cases, we need to mark text as less significant, like fine print or minor details that must appear but carry little weight. Copyright notices or footer content are examples. While we could use a P tag, the small tag signals to browsers that this text has low prominence. We avoid using small just to shrink text size. That's for CSS. Instead, like the strong tag highlights importance, the small tag indicates minimal significance for clear, meaningful styling. Fine print at a web page's footer, like content ownership details, is a perfect example. We don't want this text to vanish. Instead, we use the small tag to inform browsers it's minor content. This signals it's not the main focus, ensuring a clear, subtle presentation while keeping it visible. The small, sub, and sup tags in HTML help us perfect typography and convey precise meaning in content. We use sub for subscripts like H2O, sup for superscripts like X superscript 2, and small for less prominent text like fine print. These tags ensure our text is clear, professional, and visually effective. Like superheroes of style, they make content pop with playful clarity. You can find all the necessary files and exercises to practice with this video in the attached files.